Performance 202. So what exactly is artificial intelligence? Let's discuss it real quick. Artificial intelligence can be defined as the simulation or imitation of human knowledge and traits in computers, and it is used in many different industries, such as healthcare and manufacturing and finance. So it is important to note that artificial intelligence and the different types are very much intertwined with each other, and almost every sort of artificial intelligence uses multiple of them. And that is very important to consider when we start talking about them. And the first example is rule-based systems. Rule-based systems store and manipulate information to further interpret it in a useful way. One example of this is a domain-specific expert system, which uses these rules to make decisions. One specific example would be a diagnosis based on certain symptoms present in a patient, and I've included an infographic to show that it takes this base of knowledge that a human feeds into it, it interprets it, inferences it, and then that transforms into its working memory. And these two steps can go back and forth as often as needed to further improve this working memory. Next, I'll talk about is machine learning. This is another type of AI that focuses on improving its accuracy by imitating the way that humans learn. Examples include analyzing data or sorting images. And this infographic shows all the ways that machine learning is implemented and intertwined with other areas of AI and all its various applications. Next, I'll talk about is neural network. Neural network is a type of machine learning that enables a computer to process data like a brain. And it does this by implementing sort of a neuron structure in a layered structure meant to represent the brain. And this is sort of a simplified graphic meant to show that there are inputs, there are outputs, and in between there's this layer of information that can go forward or backward based on what it needs. And last thing I'll talk about is unsupervised deep learning. This is a subset of deep learning that discovers patterns in data without the need for human intervention. So I've included a graphic that can help explain this a little bit. So we input this raw data into it, and we don't label it, we don't necessarily categorize it, and we let the computer use what it knows to interpret it and categorize it itself. Thank you.